One of the things that we're getting asked a lot now is, what is programmatic advertising? It's something that's a big buzz out there in the advertising world. We're doing a lot of it. I'm pretty excited about it, so I'm happy to explain it to you. Programmatic advertising is a lot like the Google Display Network, if that's something you're familiar with, in that it's a system for placing ads on publisher websites. But there are a lot of key differences to it. One is that it's CPM-based, so you're paying for every impression every time your ad shows, not cost per click based like the Google Display Network. The reason that's important is that CPM-based advertising is more advantageous to publishers as well as large agencies. So there are a lot of key publishers and agencies that are migrating their advertising to programmatic. In fact, there are some estimates that say that there's supposed to be 80% of digital ad inventory that's sold in the year 2018 is supposed to be programmatic. One of the other big differences is that it's an open system, and that means that any company that wants to write software or bring some kind of value to the programmatic environment can do that. So it's led to a proliferation of companies that are called ad tech companies, bringing little value-added features and data sets to programmatic. One of the most interesting kind of ad tech firms are data management providers, or DMPs. DMPs are companies that bring specialized little data sets to the programmatic world that allow you to do very, very nuanced targeting. For example, you can say, I want to target anyone who's currently in the market for a 4-door SUV, or currently in the market for a 4-bedroom house, or I want to target credit union employees that like frozen pizza. It's crazy stuff that allows you to really get very granular in your targeting. One of the other questions that we get a lot is, how do I get started with programmatic advertising? You need to find something called a DSP, or a demand-side platform. A DSP is the way that you load up your ads, create campaigns, run the campaigns, report on them. Some of the bigger DSPs are DoubleClick and MediaMath and BrightRoll, and there are a number of other ones. For example, the one that we use is a company called Centro, which was recently ranked as one of the hottest pre-IPO ad tech firms out there. So what I would say is, do a little research, find a DSP that you want to try, load up your campaigns, and fire away. Good luck.